swear whenever I get this, it's like the most exciting day of like the whole quarter. You guys know what time it is. I just got my fall Fabfitfun, and I mean literally just like UPS just left, and I'm like, I need to do that. So I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, show you everything I got. I don't know what's in it. I'm excited. I'm frightened. I'm not actually frightened, but I'm excited. You know, like the slight fear though, when you're like, what if like none of the items that I was like hoping for are in here? Like I always get like a little bit nervous about it. This is actually my second box ever, so I'm very excited. I did the summer one. I'm doing the fall. I will link the summer one if you guys want to see it. I also have codes, guys. I'm so excited. So I will have both of those codes on my screen and in the description. They're for different things, so I don't want to like say it and get it wrong, so I'm just gonna put it in the description and on the screen so you guys know before I mess up what I'm trying to say. Let's get at it. Oh, I always do it wrong. Side note, these scissors from Target, aren't they like the cutest thing ever? Here it is. I feel like other people just like take it out of the box and don't do all of this. I'm trying to do like the little ASMR nails and it's not working because I don't have nails at the moment. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Again, like I said, all the codes will be down below if you guys are like, you know what, I need one for myself as well. I got you. Ready? Oh, that's so cute. I like the little ad going on here. That's so funny. Honestly though, like what a perfect collab for fall. Let's go through. I'm gonna show you guys all the goods. I just saw one. I'm so excited. Guys, I was hoping for this and I'm thrilled. I'm so excited. But a blanket is only as good as it feels. So we gotta open it up. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, I should have opened this up last so I could stop the video and just like go to bed. Guys, like this moment right here is like, this is the end of summer. It's gone. And I'm thrilled. I'm this close to stopping recording and turning on Gilmore Girls and getting like tea. I don't know if I can continue. I feel like I have to go to like TJ Maxx and get like a pillow with a pumpkin on it. Like, this is, I gotta go. God, this is amazing. Party wants to wear this throughout the rest of the video and I might do that. Okay, we have some more amazing goodies. Let's continue. It's slippers. Oh my god. They really like, they do it so well. I think both of these two things were the ones that I was like a little bit nervous. I'm like, I want them, but I like don't know the likelihood. Oh my god, they're so cute. Wait, I'm gonna like try not to do too much foot content because no thank you. They're so cute and they fit so well. I honestly got nervous about that because I'm like, sizing, you know? I'll tell you what size I got for reference. Okay, these are the medium 7 to 8. Which I'm a size 8 and they fit me perfectly. These are awesome. These are so cute. I can finally give my like little Ugg slippers that have been like decaying a break, and like a well-deserved break. So something I'm so picky about is the platform. Like I don't like when it's too soft because like, I don't know, it doesn't feel supportive. Like this is firm. I don't know how else to explain it. Like it's similar to like how Uggs feel. It's not, it doesn't feel cheap, essentially is what I'm getting at. Okay, now on to the smaller items. I am so excited about these. Anyone who knows me knows I love my press-ons. Number one, this is such a pretty color. It's so hard to get it to like show. I'm gonna do like little beauty guru hand. I don't think it'll focus, that's fine. But they're just like nude nails and they're reusable. So that's interesting. Up to 30 days of wear. I doubt it, but I love the thought. I'll tell you guys, I'll let you know. Follow me on Instagram. I'll keep you updated if these are 30 days of wear or not, because I have met some 2-week wear ones, not 30, so interested. So cute. We'll for sure be using these. This, which I'm not sure what it is, but it's in a container. Are they earrings? Let's see. Oh yeah, these are pretty. The hoop size might be a little larger than what I typically wear. I'm really trying to get everything in focus, and like today it's not doing it. Okay, yeah, you can see it there. They're really pretty. They're water resistant and hyperallergenic, which is cool. I'm really picky with my earrings. Like that is like jewelry. I don't know why I'm like super picky with it. So I hope I get a lot of wear out of these. The water resistant thing, to me, like that's starting off strong. Like that's like my biggest thing. I have these ones from Etsy. I wear them like every single day and they somehow have never tarnished. I've worn them every single day for like 2 years now. Like I shower with them, I've been in the ocean, been in like chlorine, and nothing happens to them. I'll link them down below if you guys would like these, because I'm obsessed with these. I'm excited about this too. I just keep on saying I'm excited, but where's the lie, you know? Oh my god. Okay, so these, not my hair, actually I think it was my dog's hair on it. So these are like my favorite thing ever, and they're kind of expensive, so it's not something I typically would splurge on, but they are the slip hair ties, and they're just like this, but they're so good. Like your hair will not fall out. Like if you're someone who like exercises or whatever, like this is the hair tie for you, because it does not fall out. It also, anytime I don't want my hair to have like a big like kink in it, because I have fine hair, it will do that, but when I do this, it won't. Like obviously within reason, like if I tie it super tight and like leave it for days, like it will, but for the most part it will not. Love these, love the colors, 3 different ones. There's pink, white, and black. I will for sure get so many wears out of these. The way I'm like still on this blanket is ridiculous. Okay, our final item. I'm excited about this. I love anything that is a lip or cheek product. That is like my favorite thing in the world. I feel like especially coming out of summer, you need a product that still gives you a little bit of life to you. Like that is my biggest issue. After summer I like look dead, so this will help that transition period. Okay, you'll still have that glow, at least I'm hoping. We'll try it out. I do already have my makeup done, so it might be a little bit hard to see the exact result. Okay, it's Nude Stick brand. Love them, love their products, so I'm excited about this. I'm interested to see how this works as a blush, because this is an interesting application situation. I usually like will not, I'm picky with blushes. I really like that. This is lighting I'm not used to, so it maybe looks terrible and I'm missing it, but I think that looks really nice. Like it's very glowy. There's definitely, I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. There's definitely like a sheen to it for sure. And it's a little bit tacky, so you can tell like it works for sure as a lip product. That's a really pretty color. Let's try it on my lips. Again, I do have product on it, so it's kind of harder to tell, but oh yeah. I will love this for sure as a lip product. I think I'll like it as a blush as well, but I don't know that would be my like immediate go-to. This is a beautiful lip product. Like I can already tell by like the sheen. It looks glossy without being like that sticky feeling, which I hate. Like everyone was obsessed with the lip oils, and I was like, I was excited because I thought they wouldn't be sticky. Tried them out. Sticky. Bothered me so much. I couldn't use it. This I think I'll love because it'll look like I'm wearing a gloss, but I'm not. This is awesome. I love this. Every once in a while I wonder, I'm like, why do these brands like put it in these boxes? Like I feel like they're not getting a deal, because then I'm like essentially in my mind getting like these like free products, and now I get it, because I'm like, I'm for sure gonna rebuy this immediately after it runs out. Like I need this in my life for the rest of ever. That's so exciting. I always like to see like kind of what the bottom of the boxes look like, the design, so I'm gonna show you guys if you're curious. Okay. It has some people laying out on park like blanket thingies, like picnic style kind of deal, just chilling, looking like they're enjoying, you know, some of that still nice fall weather. So cute. I don't know why I was like fully expecting cough drops in here. I'll be okay. I was expecting cough drops, like mentally, you know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love doing these. Like this is my favorite thing ever. It's like, it's so fun. It feels like Christmas morning. I will do this again if you guys want to see it in winter. I don't want to think about winter though right now, so like I'll do it, but like let's not talk about it yet, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, which is samantha.hope, if you guys want to see how some of these products last, some of my reviews throughout the season. These in particular, very excited to try these. I have not tried this brand yet, so really excited. As well as these earrings. I'll let you know if they like tarnish or anything. I don't believe they will, but I'll put them to the test. I'll really like wear them how I wear my jewelry, you know, which is hard. Thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!